Alright, hello once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's a beautiful evening and we are here to discuss the concept of mail merging as promised in my previous video. Mail merging basically is a concept of Microsoft Word that enables us to send letters to various recipients. Basically, in mail merging we have a letter and this letter is constant, but we have few information within the letter that is changing. For example, you can have student's name, parent's name, and then maybe the titles of the parents that are variating from individual to individual. So instead of typing these letters manually per recipient, that is where mail merging comes in to make your work easier by typing this letter once and then you mail merge and you insert the recipients automatically, saving you time and waste energy that you would have wasted typing this letter manually. So what you do, you're going to come to mailings. Under mailings, it is very simple. You come and start mail merge. Then start mail merge, you're looking for letters, you tap on letters. Then after that, you're going to come and select recipients. So under select recipients, we can either type a new list or use an existing list. So already I've created my list of recipients, so I do not need to type a new list. But in case you hadn't typed that list, you tap on type a new list and then you type that list as you're sending the letter. But here I'm going to use an existing list because I had already typed that list of recipients. So we use an existing list. Which list are we using? My list is on desktop under the folder of Regan MDD recipients, and then it has been brought here, so I tap on it. Now after that, the next step is to come to insert merge field. Now before you insert merge field, you come to where we have, now when you look through this document, there are those sections of the document where we have certain information embedded in square brackets. Now this is the information that is going to keep on varying from document to document considering the given individual. So for the information that is going to be varying within that document, you're going to come and place your cursor there. So student's name is going to be varying, so I place my cursor there. Then I insert merge field. Which merge field am I inserting? Student's name. Is that okay? That is student's name. Then I come and I delete the previous one that was there and I leave the new one. So we come and delete. I'm going to highlight this student's name and then I delete. So you can cut this out. Then we do the same for title. Place the cursor where title is. Insert merge field. Which merge field are we putting? Title. After doing that, you erase the previous title that has square brackets. So we do the same thing for parent's name. Place the cursor where at the end of the square, at the end of the closing square bracket, we come and insert merge field. This time we are putting parent's name. Put parent's name and then we delete the previous parent's name that is embedded in square brackets, leaving the one that is in those arrows, what you would call less than or greater than arrows. Then we come to gender. We do the same thing. Gender, insert merge field. I have my gender there. When it comes about, you come and place your cursor there and then you delete the previous gender. Then you come to student's name. Student's name, insert merge field. Then we have student's name. Place student's name there, just like that. Then you delete the previous one. So you do this for all the information that is in square brackets, all that information that is going to be varying in your letters. Insert merge fields, this is category, then you delete the old one, like that. So we keep doing this until we have exhausted all the information that is supposed to change in our document. Insert merge field, this is for students name, and then we delete this original one. Place the cursor there, and then we delete. You delete. Now, so I think we have exhausted all the information that is supposed to be changing in this particular document. That is what we call inserting merge fields. So when you're done, what is next is to finish mail merging. So you come here, finish mail merge, and then they can say edit individual documents or print documents. So in this particular case, we don't need to print, so I'm just going to tap on edit individual documents. So they're saying merge to new document, merge records all from. So now here we want all of the letters. So then we press OK, and then after that, I think you can be able to see that our information has been successfully filled in. We have our first letter to parent or guardian of Okech Kate, dear Mr. Okech Moses, request to release. Now here I think we forgot to put student's name, but that is something you can. So I think you can see that our information has been filled in successfully. And then you can see that we originally had one letter, but we now have a couple of letters. Ready to be printed and then sent out to the various recipients. I think you can see that our information has been successfully filled in. Okay, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a lovely day.